Diesel generator set vibration control to avoid crankshaft and bearing fatal failure. DGD excessive vibration can cause severe damage to the engine's crankshaft, including cracks and metal-to-metal contact. To prevent such catastrophes, classification societies have established maximum permissible vibration limits. It is also recommended to replace the DGS's rubber components, such as elastic mountings, not solely based on hours of operation but also installation time. As the elasticity of rubber elements degrades over time, the elasticity of rubber elements is measured on the Shorey scale, and a 25% reduction creates a significant increase in the vibration amplitudes. We present 3 cases that exemplify the importance of controlling vibration levels in DGS. In the first case, after the overhaul of one DGS and crank replacement, the vibration level exceeded EAX limits by 356%. However, after replacing the elastic mountings and equalizing their reactions through controlled bending forces, the vibration level was reduced to only 47% of the EAX limit. Additionally, the Japanese method of modal testing with one DGS carried out at startup and shutdown can reduce vibration levels. In the second case, where 3 DGSs were operating in the same platform, excess vibration occurred due to the side engine's elastic mountings near the middle one having modes affected by heat. The solution was to equalize the port and STBD elastic mountings reaction, reducing the vibration level to only 38% of the EAX limit. In cases where multiple DGSs are operating on the same platform, it is important to consider the platform's vibration levels as well. A modal test carried out by airflow through the main engine running as an excitatory to the platform and 3 DGS can reveal any cracks, unattached, or volume-deformed rubber elements. Controlling the vibration level within EAX limits is crucial for maintaining the safety and good operation of DGSs. By taking proactive measures and performing regular tests, any catastrophic failures can be prevented.